We're gonna do another one of these songs. Is that a good tempo? No two songs ever allowed.
Yeah. You get what you get.
Everybody should just let out a nice big sigh. I need to. Frequently throughout the song, too. You'll know when to do it.
Hey, hey, good looking. What you got cooking? 'Cause I'm cooking something up with me. Hi, hi, sweet baby. Don't you think maybe we could find a brand new recipe? Got a hot rod board, $2 bill, no little spot right over the hill. There's soda pop, dancing's free. If you wanna have some fun, come along with me. Hey, yeah. What you got cooking? I know about cooking something up with me. Cause I'm free, baby. So we could go steady. How's about saving a little time for me? There's no more looking. I know I'm turning. How's about keeping some steady company? I'm gonna throw that big book over the fence. Buy me one for 5 or 10 cents. I'll keep it till it's covered with age. So I'm writing your name on every page. Hey, 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 hey.